Hello friends and welcome to once again on my YouTube channel डेली रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। न्यूज़पेपर का एक आर्टिकल है, लीगल चेंजेस मस्ट फैक्टर इन राइट्स ऑफ ट्रांस पीपल इन द backdrop of a rising trend of decimation of right for people who do not fit into the binary of male and female. Led by the US administration, a recent UK Supreme Court ruling has further polarized the gender debate. In an 88-page judgment, five judges unanimously ruled that only biological women, not trans women, meet the definition of a woman under the Britain's Equality Act 2010. In its limited scope of deliberation, it provided a statutory interpretation that the terms woman and sex in the Act refer only to a biological woman and biological sex. A trans woman who has undergone a gender reassignment and has a gender recognition certificate as a woman for all purposes would lose the right to be treated as a biological woman, while the appellants in the case for women Scotland, funded in the part by gender critical right J.K. Rowling, celebrated the verdict, saying they had been vindicated. Trans supporters and campaigners felt was a setback for trans inclusion. There has been a considerable change in the resolve of a original respondents, the Scottish ministers, to with the recognition of Scottish National Party leader Nicola Sturgeon in 2023. She had led the fight to change under law so that those with gender recognition certificate could be enti- entitled to the same protections as a biological woman, but there was a backlash against the gender recognition reform after a trans woman who had raped two women while she was a man was initially sent to an all-female prison. The ruling made the point that the Gender Recognition Act 2004 gives legal recognition to the right of transgender people on marriage, pensions, retirement, social security, and that the equality law protects them against the discrimination. Kishore Falconer, the chair of the UK Equality and Human Rights Commission, said the court clarity means only biological women could use single-sex changing rooms and women's toilet or participate in women's only sporting event and terms or be placed in women's ward in hospital. But as a judge counseled against reading the judgment as a trump for one or more groups in society at the expense of another. The EHRC should also ensure that the unisex of natural space are marked for trans people. When it uses new guidelines that hold true for all institutions, office, hospitals, and schools, planning restrictions, the ruling will have an impact on the sporting arena, where athletes, cycling, and aquatic have already banned transgender women from participating in women's events. As the experience with India Transgender Persons Protection of Right Act 2019, so any changes in the legal framework must factor in the trans people basic rights, else they will face more strictures.